Hello friends, welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today I have launched a very amazing course, and it's a course of Veg Kebab. Beside this course, I have one more course in non-veg kebab and starter. So in this course, I am going to teach you 13 variety of kebab, and I will teach you the right technique of making this juicy and delicious kebab. So let's see what are the variety you are going to learn in this course. So this is Bhara Kebab. So in today's class, I am going to teach you near about 13 variety of kebabs and 3 types of chutney. And all these kebab you can easily make on gas. There is no need of any OTG or oven. Okay, this is Aloo Seekh Kebab. So in today's class, some kebab are shallow fried, some are deep fried, and some I have shown you on gas how to tandoor it. Okay, so this is Galouti Kebab. And this is Kabuli Chana Seekh Kebab. So in today's class, I will show you what is the right technique of making the proper dough for the Seekh Kebab. Because if your dough is right, then only you get the perfect kebab. Otherwise, what happens whenever you are making any kebab, if you are doing shallow fry, tandoor, it gets open in oil. So that's why the making of dough is the first step you should know while making any kebab. Okay, then this is soybean kebab. Then this is our Dilruba Kebab. So all these kebab are veg kebab, and beside this course we have one more course in non-veg kebab and starter. So this is Shami Kebab. We have 240 plus online courses which we have designed in such a way that after joining our any course, you can make all the recipe at home, and even you can start your small business from home. This is cheese kebab. Beside these courses, we have our own brand of masala and premixes. If you are interested to buy all these masala and premixes, please check the description box. There I have given you the link to buy all the product. Same way, if you want to start small business from home with our brand, even you can do that. So for that, please check the description box for contact number. And this is our Veg Seekh Kebab. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners of this week. When you join our online course, you will get recipe, then video for lifetime access, then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your all query. So in this way, you can join our online course anytime, any place, and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Shilpa Sabnis, and second is Pranali Bagar. So congratulations, both lucky winner. You can collect your free online class or by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe our channel.